Hello! In this video, I will show you how to set up your VoIP.ms account for placing international calls. First, enable international calling on your account. To do so, navigate to Account Settings under the Main Menu tab. Then, go to the Account Restrictions tab and select Yes, International Calls Enabled in the Allow International Calls section. To enable them for your sub-accounts, checkmark the Check to Apply to Sub-Accounts option. Then click on Apply to save your changes. Next, you must ensure the countries you want to call are whitelisted in your account. To do so, select the Click here to manage the list of allowed countries link in the Allow Calls to Country section, and a pop-up window will open where you can choose your allowed destinations. For example, I'm selecting countries in Central America. Click the Save Changes button. You need to set a maximum allowed rate that covers the calling costs to the countries you've just selected. Go to the Finances tab on your customer portal and select Termination Rates. Here you can check all the rates by searching by country, prefix, or country name first letter and adjust your account accordingly. You can change your maximum allowed rate by going into the Account Settings, choosing the Restrictions tab, and setting a limit rate. Lastly, you need to set up the dialing mode when calling countries outside the continental United States and Canada. Navigate to the General tab and go to the Dialing Mode section. You have two options for dialing international calls. If you choose NANPA, dial 00 or 011, followed by the country code when calling countries outside of the North American numbering plan. And if you choose E164, you can dial anywhere using the country code first. Please note that in this dialing method, you must dial 1 before the number when calling the United States or Canada. If most of your calls are to US and Canada, we suggest you choose NANPA. Otherwise, select according to your needs and click the Apply button. Now your account is ready for international calling. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.